It is time for the elections in India, and what if I tell you, you can get your voter ID card made right from the comfort of your home, and all you need is just your Aadhaar card. Will you believe me? Well, within 5 minutes, you'll be able to complete the entire process through the new portal, and yes, by the time this video ends, your voter ID card will be on the way to your doorstep within 5 days. Hello everyone, I'm here for Fiiber by India Today, and before we get on with the rest of the video, consider hitting that red subscribe button for detailed tech videos and also turn on the bell so that you don't miss any of our latest updates. With that said, let's get started. First of all, let me tell you that the entire NVSP website has now changed to voters.eci.gov.in. So many things have changed. I would suggest that don't skip this video and watch until the end. Now, through this new portal, all the tasks related to voter ID card can be done, such as corrections, digital copy download, new voter ID card, and of course, reissue. For further details, I've also added the link in the description below. So to make a voter ID, you need to select the fill form 6 under the new registration for general electors option. After that, the login page is going to appear. Here, I'm selecting the sign up option. Now enter your mobile number and email address, although it's optional, you can still fill it anyway. And then you have to enter the CAPTCHA. Now we are logged into the portal, and here there are many options, guys, so don't get confused. We need to go to the new registration for a general electors option again and select form 6. Now we have the application form open. We need to fill it out step by step, so do pay attention. So now enter the state, district, and select the assembly constituency. I will be selecting Badarpur here. Then click on next. So we have completed the first stage well. Now here we need to fill in the personal details next, and one interesting thing is that as soon as you enter the name in English, the Hindi counterpart also appears side by side, which is pretty cool. Now here you need to upload a color, a passport size photo in JPG or JPEG format with dimensions of 4.5 centimeters by 3.5 centimeters, and the size should be less than 2 megabytes. So while uploading the photo, you can also crop it as per your preference, and then you have to click on next. Now you need to fill in the relatives details, so I will fill in the father's details here, and one thing to note here is that the name on the ID should match exactly. If there's a mistake in Hindi below, you need to cross verify it and correct it, and next, of course, you have to click on next. Now we're on the contact details. Enter your mobile number here. By selecting self, you can easily download the digital copy if the voter ID card can't be delivered to your home for some reason. So enter the mobile number and then click on request OTP, and after entering the OTP, click verify. Now below there's an option for an email ID, fill that too, and then click on next. Now we need to fill in the Aadhaar details. If you don't have an Aadhaar card, you can always select the second option, but in most cases like mine, I'll select the Aadhaar option and then the Aadhaar number, and then click on next. Now we are on the date of birth section, so select the date, year, and you also have to provide the proof. For that, I have selected Aadhaar again because we are getting it made via the Aadhaar card. But if you have a passport, birth certificate, DL, or you have a PAN card, 10th mark sheet or 12th mark sheet, you can select all of those too. Of course, then you have to upload the file and click on next. Now we need to fill in present address details, and we need to be quite detailed here. Enter the house number, street, mohalla, village, town, post office, pin code, tehsil, district, state, and all of those details. And after filling, provide proof that you live at the address that you have just entered. There are many document options available here, so you can select whichever that you have. I am submitting the Aadhaar card again here. The file size and format should remain the same, so less than 2 MB of size, and of course in JPG, JPEG, PDF format, and of course then click on next. Now we're on the declaration page where we need to fill in the village, town, state, and the district, and below we need to fill in how long we have been living in that place. So scroll down and fill in the district and then the date, and click on next. Again, enter the CAPTCHA code here and then select review and submit option. And then form 6 will open. Double check all the details that you have filled above. If everything's correct, there's a submit option below. Click on that. Now our application has been successfully submitted and a reference number will also be provided. Note it down carefully because through this number you'll be able to check the status of your voter ID card. I can of course demonstrate it too. For that you need to go to the dashboard and select track application status. Then enter the reference number and state, and as soon as you hit submit, you'll be able to check your status. And that's how in just a few days your voter ID card will arrive at your doorsteps. Of course, if you found this video helpful, then definitely hit that like button and of course share it with others. And for all the latest in tech, stay tuned to Fiiber. I'll catch you all in the next one. Thank you for watching.